The Apollo University and University of Leicester UG International Transfer Program spot admissions in your city. Meet university representatives. BTech, BE Computer Science, AI, Data Science, Software Engineering with internship in India and UK. Up to 25% scholarship, education loan facility, campus placements in UK. Eligibility: MPC, BPC, Polytechnic Diploma with 60%. July 11th, Friday, 10 to 5 p.m. University of Leicester Information Center, 197 SBI Colony, Royal Nagar, Tirupati. July 12th, Saturday, 10 to 5 p.m. University of Leicester Information Center, flat number 1A, first floor, Haripriya Towers, road number 4, near Railway Track Park Street, Magunta Layout, Nellore. July 13th, Sunday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. University of Leicester Information Center, 501, Prashanti Ram Towers, above Axis Bank, Madhura Nagar branch, Amirpet, Hyderabad. July 13th, Sunday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Harita Kakatiya Hotel, Hanamkonda. July 20th, Sunday, 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Hotel Nikhil Sai International, Devi Theatre Crossroad, Nizamabad, Hyderabad Road. July 21st, Monday, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Hotel Shweta, Municipal Corporation Office, Ambedkar Stadium Road, beside Bus Stand Circle, Mukarampura, Karimnagar. July 22nd, Tuesday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. University of Leicester Information Center, opposite to LIC Office, Gattaya Center, Khammam. Contact person Ramesh, 91213 29427.